What did I do, y'all? What did I do? I think I tweaked. And why is the bang not giving what it's supposed to give?
I'm a star, cause I slay, I slay, I slay, I slay.
Today I'm about to recreate this style from Cardi B. She ate this look up, so I'm about to try to achieve this look. Hey, it's lit, stay tuned. Okay, so I'm gonna start by pushing all my hair to the back and then part out the bang. The bang, the bang. This is a synthetic wig, so it's gonna be hard to like maneuver this style because y'all know the syntheticas be tangling up too quickly. So I got my bang parted out, sectioned out, and now I'm about to work on a ponytail as soon as I'm done twisting it. Okay, so I clipped my bang out the way and now I'm about to work on a ponytail. So I'm just about to take all my hair and put it up in the ponytail. So now I'm going in with some Got To Be so that I can slick up my ponytail. Okay, so I got my band on my edges so my edges is not lifting, and I'm about to just continue working on the ponytail. So now I'm just flat ironing the hair just to make sure it's not like super tangled. Did you know you could flat iron synthetic hair? Girl, yes. It just has to be on a low setting. Like, don't have it on 400, it's gonna burn. But if you have it on like, what I have it on 295, you could definitely straighten your synthetic hair. Okay, I got my ponytail. Now I'm about to take the ponytail wrapper, pull it like this, and do just like this. I'm gonna take this piece, pull this apart, and I'm gonna spread this part with some hairspray. And I'm gonna fold it back. And I'm gonna use my bobby pins to pin this to the back. So this part right here, I'm gonna take this and pin it down. And the same with this side, I'm going to pin it down. Hey, and it's giving the bow. It's giving the bow. Y'all see it? Y'all see what it's giving? I just need to pin it down a little better. I remember the first time I even did a bow. I don't know, I was probably in my early 20s when I used to be braiding hair, and I braided my niece's hair and I added a bow to her hair and everybody went crazy. I've been knew how to do bows. Hey, ooh, it's cute. So now I'm about to work on the bang. It's giving a little lopsided because these pins is ghetto and they won't pin down. Ah! But I have the foundation, so if I don't like it, I could always redo it. But like I said, I'm about to start doing my bang now. So now I'm about to cut the bang. So I'm just gonna twist the bang like this and cut, cut, cut. Hey. Ooh, no, 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 no. Oh, what did I do, y'all? What did I do? I think I tweaked. And I forgot to add the little long pieces she had. Ah, why did I do that? I'm funny. Why? I was supposed to leave these parts out. I tweaked. Ugh. And why is the bang not giving what it's supposed to give? Now I'm gonna try to take some mousse and see if this is gonna help lay down my bang. Okay, y'all, so I had to fix it, take it down, redo it again, and this is what it's given so far. And I'm about to come back with the finished look because my camera is about to die and I need to charge it. Okay, y'all, this is the finished look. I literally slayed this Cardi B-inspired look. I'm just zoom out a little bit. So my bun will not stay up like this. But as y'all can see, I literally ate this look up. It literally looks just like the inspo. And I'm in love. Hey, I love this look so much. Ooh, I ate and left no crumbs. I ate and left no crumbs. Hey, ate and left no crumbs. And left no crumbs. And left no crumbs. Hey. And left no crumbs, yeah. And left no crumbs, hey. Yeah. Yeah. Make sure y'all give this video a big thumbs up, okay? Like this video, share the video, and definitely turn your notifications on so you'll be notified when I post the next video. Hey, it's lit. See y'all in the next video. Bye.